Gravity Falls. Watch this finger picking pattern I can do with my right hand that will lead to that intro of Gravity Falls. First, I'm going to use my index finger to lift up on the second string, and then play my thumb on the third string like I normally would. Try that with me. 1, 2, ready, play. Try it again with me, we go. One more time, play it again. After that, I'm going to lift up with my index finger on the first string, and I add that to the pattern. It sounds like this. Try that with me, here we go. Try that one more time, we go. After that, I'm just going to play the third string with my thumb again, just like I did before. When I add that to the pattern, it sounds like this. Try that with me, here it goes. Try it again with me, here it goes. One last time, try it with me. Once that feels really comfortable with my right hand, I could add in the chords in my left hand. The first chord is a D minor chord. That's that beginning of a staircase. I can play my pattern on the D minor chord. I then lift up my middle finger to make an F chord. I then move my index finger to the third string, first fret, to make that A major chord. Try it with me, I'll go a lot slower this time. 1, 2, ready, here we go. And I end on that D minor. Let's try it again, I'll go a little bit faster. 1, 2, ready, here we go. Good luck!